geht natürlich ganz klar.
Without a doubt, it's all about digitalization, networking, automation, and of course the overarching topic of efficiency. This is very evident here at the open house, at our booths and in our presentations. What we as Tebis recommend, where we can provide support, and also what customers can do themselves to maintain and continue to improve their competitiveness. Many people encounter difficulties in data processing, often resulting in time loss. We demonstrated how to program with support in 4.1. I think we were able to convince several visitors that it's definitely worth it to switch to 4.1 in order to move faster from point A to point B. Everyone's talking about digital twins these days. We've already been doing this for 20 years, and our customers know that this is the only way automation works. Particularly, it's about programming intelligence into the part, and the subject of AI is also hidden somewhere in there. We have some new ideas about what we can use and what we might be able to incorporate in the future. But I don't want to give away too much. In principle, we always want to keep up with the latest technology in order to stay competitive.
The
parametric processing that wasn't available before, and now it's very simple and flexible for making changes after the fact. With the many new features in the new release, like the edge rounder and the chamfer, we are trying to be very user-friendly so that every user can find their way intuitively. Of course, the current challenges require special solutions. Efficiency and automation also mean conserving resources while accomplishing what's needed. We want to take a holistic approach and actively shape the changes that are taking place. We want to help companies improve and ensure that motivated people are working efficiently and being correspondingly profitable. Our partnership over many years is based on a shared philosophy. Not just seeing tools, programming and machines, but the entire package, so that we can produce the best for the customer and create better solutions for higher productivity. It's nice to have partners who want to take a similar approach. The implementation team, Mr. Armbruster and his team, have helped us a lot in the past, and we've managed to do a lot. We've had many hours of in-house support at our company, and finally everything is working properly. Our connection with ProLeis is another thing that brings us closer together, because the planning system, the end-to-end processing through the programming and CAM system are where we are currently seeing the best results. We have often had discussions about rush orders and spontaneous changes, always pushing companies to their limits. In manufacturing planning, and that ProLeis as an MES software, as an integration software, provides a great solution for automating integration of the resources to ultimately meet our delivery deadline. My expectations for this open house are mainly to see the new innovations from Tebis, and of course to network with other industry sectors. You always see people you know here year after year, and that makes it very pleasant. We are at home and anchored as a local company here in Bavaria, and we are also committed to our international business. More than 50% of our sales are currently international, and that's also a very clear element in our strategy. I just said goodbye to a guest who told me he's retiring and unfortunately won't be returning to future open houses. He had a close relationship with Tebis for 30 years and had been to every open house we've held. And that's quite a compliment.